In this video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook post on a mobile and PC or MacBook. It does not matter what is the reason for deleting a post, image, or something that you added to your Facebook account. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. In the first part of the video, I will show you how to delete a Facebook post on mobile. Locate the Facebook app on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. The icon is a white F on a blue background. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner on iPhone or the top right corner on Android to open your profile page. Now we need to find the post we want to delete. Scroll through your profile page to find the post you want to delete. This can be a status update, photo, video, or any other type of post. Once you've located the post you want to delete, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the post. This will open a menu with various options. Tap on Move to Trash. Confirm the action by tapping Move. Now the post has been moved to the trash. These posts moved to the trash will be permanently deleted in 30 days. But what if you want to remove the post completely without waiting 30 days? You can do that. Tap on the menu from the bottom right. Now scroll to the bottom of the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. On the Settings options, scroll down until you find the section Your Activity and Permissions. Tap on Activity Log. Here you will see an option called Trash. Tap it. Here you will see the post you deleted. Select the post you want to permanently delete. Tap the three dots menu, and from the menu tap Delete. Tap Delete again to confirm. Your post will be permanently removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Facebook post using your mobile device. But how can you delete a Facebook post on a PC or desktop? The process should be the same for a computer or Mac. Open your preferred web browser. Click on the address bar and write facebook.com. If you are not logged in, enter your email or phone number and password, then click Log in to access your Facebook account. Click on your profile picture or your name at the top of the Facebook homepage to navigate to your profile page. Scroll through your profile to find the post you want to delete. This can be a status update, photo, video, or any other type of post. Once you've located the post you want to delete, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the post. This will open a menu with various options. Click on Move to Trash. Confirm the action by clicking Move. Now the post has been moved to the trash. These posts moved to the trash will be permanently deleted in 30 days. But what if you want to remove the post completely without waiting 30 days? You can do that. Click on the profile icon from the top right. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. On the Settings options, scroll down until you find the section Your Activity and Permissions. Click on Activity Log. Scroll down on the sidebar and you will see an option called Trash. Click it. Here you will see the post you deleted. Select the post you want to permanently delete. Click Delete from the top right. Click Delete again to confirm. Your post will be permanently removed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Facebook post using your PC or MacBook. Keeping your profile updated and clean is a great way to manage your online presence. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.